Stop paying for expensive software until you see these websites. Some software subscriptions can cost you hundreds of dollars every year, and the crazy part is, you may not even need them. There are free tools that can handle photo editing, graphic design, office work, video editing, audio production, and even 3D design. And today, I'm showing you 8 free alternatives that can save you serious money in 2026. Stay until number 1, because it's powerful enough for professional level work. Let's get started. Starting at number 8 is LibreOffice. If you're paying for Microsoft Office just to write documents, create spreadsheets, or make presentations, you should know about this. LibreOffice is a free and open-source office suite that includes tools for documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. So if your everyday work is mainly writing documents, working with spreadsheets, or creating presentations, LibreOffice can be a seriously useful alternative. And yes, it's completely free. Number 7 is GIMP. If Photoshop is too expensive for you, GIMP is one of the most established free alternatives. It's a full image editing program with tools for photo retouching, image composition, graphic design, and more. It's also open source and available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So whether you're editing photos, creating graphics, or working on YouTube thumbnails, GIMP is worth learning. It may take some time to master, but that's because it isn't a toy. Number 6 is one that I think more beginners should know about. It's called Photopea. Imagine opening a Photoshop-style editor directly inside your browser, without installing a huge program. That's basically what Photopea gives you. It supports advanced editing features like layers, masks, blending, and even PSD files. And because it runs in your browser, you can start editing without installing traditional desktop software. For quick edits, thumbnails, graphics, and PSD work, this can be incredibly useful. At number 5 is Figma. If you're interested in website design, app design, UI design, or prototypes, don't overlook this one. Figma works in the browser and lets you design, collaborate, and create interactive prototypes. It also has a free starter plan, although some advanced features require paid plans. The best part? You can work with other people on the same design in real time. So if you're learning web design or UI design, Figma is definitely a website you should have bookmarked. Number 4 is Canva. If you're not a professional designer and you just want to create something that looks good quickly, Canva is incredibly useful. You can create presentations, social media graphics, posters, thumbnails, documents, and much more. Canva has a free tier, although some premium content and features are restricted to pro users. For beginners, content creators, students, and small businesses, Canva can eliminate the need for complicated design software for many everyday projects. Number 3 is Audacity. If you need to record or edit audio, you don't necessarily need expensive professional audio software. Audacity is free and open source, and it works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It includes tools for things like noise reduction, compression, vocal removal, and multi-track editing. So if you're creating YouTube videos, podcasts, voiceovers, or simply cleaning up recordings, Audacity is worth checking out. Number 2 is a big one for video creators. DaVinci Resolve. If you've heard of expensive video editors like Premiere Pro, you need to know that DaVinci Resolve has a genuinely powerful free version. It combines video editing, color correction, visual effects, motion graphics, and audio post-production in one application. The free version supports up to Ultra HD 3840 by 2160 at up to 60 frames per second for virtually all 8-bit video formats. There is a paid studio version with additional features, but the free version is already extremely capable. For serious YouTube editing, this is one you shouldn't ignore. And finally, number 1, Blender. If you think professional 3D software has to be expensive, Blender completely changes the conversation. Blender is a free and open-source 3D creation platform used for things like modeling, animation, rendering, visual effects, and more. And unlike many free tools, Blender isn't just a basic version of something else. It's a complete creative platform. The learning curve can be steep, but if you're willing to learn it, you can create some seriously impressive work without paying for expensive 3D software. So there you have it. 8 free tools that can replace expensive software for many everyday tasks. But here's the important part. Don't download all 8 and then use none of them. Pick one tool that solves a problem you actually have, learn it properly, and make it part of your workflow. Because the goal isn't to collect free software. The goal is to get more done while spending less money. If you found this useful, subscribe to Smart Digital Skills for more useful websites, AI tools, computer tips, shortcuts, and digital skills. And I'll see you in the next video.